So here once I came to my friend's house, I started studying, like we both basically started studying. And yeah. um Also, guys, if you want me to film more study with me vlogs, you can also comment down, because I would love to make like study with me vlogs, because I guess my forte is that, so it would be great. Please comment down if you want to see such type of videos in my channel. And here we started solving a lead code problem. It was, I guess, medium level question, but I don't know. We took literally like 3 hours. We completely forgot all the logic, so it literally took us 3 hours. We solved the lead code problem, and that is what I'm showing here. So in the evening, had to go to the village. I was just taking some clips there on the car. In the next, I will be putting some clips on the road. Please enjoy the view, like which I took from my and it was already very late. I wanted to show you the time here, but my camera couldn't capture it. Then finally we reached to one of the village. So this was not the exact place, but we dropped here, and I was just taking the clips. You can see it was very empty road. You can't even see me, guys, if I turn the front camera. So we'll be going to temple. Meanwhile, in just 10-20 minutes, I will be showing you there what happens. I don't know if my voice is audible. Yeah, please adjust for that. So here I was already in the temple. I had reached the temple. So this was the temple to which we have come today. It was very early morning. I guess it was 5 o'clock in the morning when I came to the temple. So it was very early. We got ready and we came here. I know, because we had some puja, so that's why. But I have muted the audio here, but there is already God songs playing behind in the temple, so it was already started.
can see the sun is rising, and there is a museum also. We'll be going to this museum for now. So that was for the museum. Next, we'll go to temple. I've already gone near the temple. I'll just go once again. They have maintained it pretty good.
I was trying to fit banana to that, and yeah, I was successful. Then we are going to one more village. So the one which we went for the temple is where the temple was. So that's not our village. So this was our village, and this is one of the relatives' house. And I was just showing you around their house, the greenery which they had. It was actually pretty nice, and you can see these chickens are feeding like they are eating corn. Like those were the dry corns which they had given for them, and also there were goats. These are fighting for the feed, and that leaf was given by me. So it was fun feeding those goats. So basically, if you can see the these leaves of the plants which are there, that is the feed for the goat which can be given. So what I did was like I was picking them every time and I was feeding the goats, and they were fighting among themselves. I went to them again with the sleeves, and you can see they are fighting among themselves. I didn't capture it properly, but yeah, that was the whole situation. Yeah, I guess I captured it now.
I'm low key finding this fun.
Like they are actually following my hand. because they think still have the feed in my hand, those leaves. Finally ignored me completely. And this was the back of their house. You can see the mountains, and there is some agriculture they have done, and there was sprinkle water irrigation. You can see the water, but I know my phone cam has not captured it very properly. But yeah, that was my phone's quality, guys. Please adjust with that. Yeah, just roaming around the fields for now.
Went through this part before also, but when I came, there were no plants here. But now you can see there are very thick plants and very small path.
Say hello, cows. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and share.